Sneeze stopping secret. You can actually stop a sneeze dead in its tracks just by pressing your tongue hard against the roof of your mouth for a few seconds. That's right, no more scrambling for tissues or awkward mid-sentence explosions. This simple trick interrupts the nerve signals that trigger your sneeze reflex. When you feel that tickle building, press your tongue up and hold it there with some real pressure. Most people are shocked at how quickly the urge to sneeze fades away. The science is all about your trigeminal nerve, which is responsible for that sneeze reflex. By stimulating the roof of your mouth, you essentially distract your brain and short-circuit the sneeze before it happens. Next time you feel a sneeze creeping up at the worst possible moment, like in a meeting, on a date, or right during a big reveal, try this move and see how it works. Follow and subscribe to our social media for more daily content.